Welcome to Session 3. Today, a linear equation becomes a graph. We will connect slope, intercepts, ordered pairs, and the equation of a line, so graphing supports the algebra instead of replacing it. The form y equals mx plus b is the fastest form to read. The coefficient m is the slope, or rate of change. The constant b is the y-intercept, the point where x equals 0. Slope from 2 points is vertical change over horizontal change. For -2, 5, and 4, -7, keep the subtraction order identical in the numerator and denominator. When the question asks for the equation, slope alone is incomplete. Find the slope first, then substitute 1 point into y equals mx plus b. Here b equals 1, so the full equation is y equals 2x plus 1. Standard form is useful for intercepts. For the y-intercept, set x equal to 0. For the x-intercept, set y equal to 0. And when the SAT asks for an intercept, give the ordered pair, not just the number. Parallel lines have equal slopes, but different intercepts. Perpendicular lines use negative reciprocal slopes. Change the sign and flip the fraction. For example, 2/3 becomes -3/2. In context, say what the slope and intercept mean with units. For a tank model, the intercept 120 is the starting volume. The slope -8 means the volume decreases by 8 gallons per minute. Your turn. A line passes through 2, 3, and 6, 11. Find the equation of the line. Pause the video and solve it before watching the steps. The slope is 8/4, which is 2. Substitute the point 2, 3 into y equals 2x plus b. That gives b equals -1. The equation is y equals 2x minus 1. Session 3 recap. Read slope and intercept from y equals mx plus b. Use consistent subtraction order for slope. Do not stop at the slope when the question asks for an equation. Write intercepts as points and give slope with units in context. Next, we use lines together in systems.